Take a moment to check out the 2012 Chevrolet Camaro. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Meticulously engineered for power and control, the Camaro's muscle and agility is the stuff of legends. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: head-up display, keyless entry, navigation system, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Feel the surge of controlled power and the rush of adrenaline when you rule the road in the Camaro.